Okay, so in this example, I'm just going to talk about like how bounces or rejects work. All right, so you'll see me put it in the watch list, or you will see one of us do it. So in this example, I'm just going to show you how it works with Nvidia. All right, so on the watch list on the 21st, right here, I said Nvidia. I said for puts, I was looking for a break and hold below 116, but I said bounce at 116.47, 115.66, and 115. All right, so first of all, why did I come up with those numbers? First, let's look at the 116.47. So 116.47, which is right here, that is yesterday's, the day before's, I think that's the low of day, yesterday's low of day. So for me, that's going to be a support, right? Yesterday's higher day would be resistance, right? And then also 116 or 115.66, I charted that. That is going to be October's low. So again, when we chart the monthly, you know, the highs and lows of each month, for October, this was the October low. So at this point, this will serve as a strong support, right? Which means there's a high likely that it's going to bounce here. All right, so let's just look at the candles. I'll show it like the replay in just a second, but let's just look at this right here. So you guys know my thing is I'm not trading in the first 15 minutes, right? I say it every time, every day. So the first three candles are right here, 5, 10, 15. I'm not trading in it. Again, you have the top of the orb, which is way up here, and you have the bottom of the orb right here, right? But the first one I said possible bounce, right, at the low of day, you see right here, it wicked off of it, right? But then you had a lot of momentum to the downside. Cool. First 15 is going to be a lot of volatility, so we don't really do anything there. Now, the first 15, this is the 15-minute candle, right? The last one, my October low. What happened? It bounced right off of this, right? It just kissed it. Why? Because it's a strong support, all right? The higher the time frame, the stronger the resistance or support is, right? Now, what if I said I called a bounce? So that means it's a high likely that it's going to go in the direction. So if I wanted to, I could actually probably get a call and say, hey, it's going to bounce off of here, and I can ride it up. Now, the thing about bounces or rejects is you do not know how long it's going to last. It can last one candle, it can last two candles, it can last three candles, or so on. So a good percentage that you would want off a bounce would be probably, you know, 10, 15, 20, 30, right? You're not looking for the super long play, right? You're looking for something quick. It's more of a scalp. All right, so cool. It bounced here, right? This one lasted three candles, right? It's still below the 9, reject, right? This touched this October low. It came back down. This touched the October low. Didn't get quite there, but it bounced here, and it bounced up. It bounced up. This served as a strong support, right? So this is where I got it from, the October low, a higher time frame. So again, if I wanted to catch the bounce, I could catch it right here, boom. Or I could catch it right here, right? Or I can catch it right here. I could have caught it at any of these points because I know that this is a strong support. Now, preferably, I want to catch it on the first or second, right? After this point, you're not sure, right? But again, after this third bounce, was it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? The sixth bounce had a lot of power. All right, so again, when you're doing bounces or rejects, you are looking to probably, you can catch a call. So again, in this market, breaking holds, that's what we prefer. But again, sometimes you might have to be a quick scout. So when we say I'm looking for a bounce, I'm looking for a reject, again, you can catch the bounce, you can get a call off of the area that we had said in our charts.